Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to do a review on a BexGears Telecaster kit that I built a couple of years ago. This has become my #1 guitar. This is an outstanding guitar. I did lots of mods on this guitar when I built it. I didn't use any of the original electronics that came with it, hardly any of the hardware, but it's just kind of to show you what you can do with a guitar, especially a kit, something that you want to put your time and money into and see if you can make an outstanding guitar. And disclaimer, I've had Fenders, I've had Gibsons, I've had Ibanez, I've had lots higher end good guitars, and in my opinion this guitar puts them all to shame. So like I said, I've done quite a few things to it. This has a set of BYO vintage Vortex hot pickups in it. It has the 4-way switch in it with Oaks Grimsby switch, CTS pots. I put brass saddles on it, locking tuners, roller string trees. I've crowned and leveled the frets, polished them. It did not come with a black pickguard at the time that I bought this. They only had a white one available, so I cut my own pickguard, made my own pickguard for this and put it on here. Just everything about it. This guitar feels amazing, plays great. I'm going to give you a few sound samples on it, see what you think, and we'll kind of go from there. I'm in the bridge position, and we're on a clean channel on an Egnator Rebel 20, and yeah, there you go. Very snappy, very articulate, great sounding pickups on this, great sounding guitar. Go to the #2 position. This is a 4-way switch, like I said. Okay. Up to #3. Okay. And #4. Yeah, this guitar sounds and plays great. These are Kita dies that are on it, and this was my first attempt at staining a guitar. This was the first guitar that I ever built out of a kit. So kind of some unique colorings I did there. It is a true oil finish. I believe I have 6 coats of true oil on there. The neck is ultra smooth maple neck, got a little bit of fingering in there. Just super smooth feel, nice comfortable shape. This guitar really hits above its price point. I can't remember what my total investment into this is, as I built this 3 or 4 years ago, but this guitar absolutely sounds great. It's my #1 gigging guitar. I'm not a great guitar player, I'm a rhythm guitar player, but it does what it does, and it does it very well. So yeah, just want to give you a quick little run through of it, and if you want to know more about it, let me know, and I'd be more than happy to get back to you. Thanks. Bye.